Yo, at the beginning of my art journey, I was so lost I did not know what to do, actually how to start. I didn't know how to actually improve, how to get better, and you can probably relate maybe right now. You know you want to draw, but you don't have a plan how to improve. You don't know where to start or what to do next. And I've been there. So this video is basically all you need to know to actually get better and actually what to learn, what to focus on. Okay, so today I'll be talking about how to actually get started, what you will need to actually start your journey with digital art, actually what mindset do you need, and then how you actually learn to draw. So yeah, I've been drawing for 1 year plus or something, a couple of months maybe. I've made a decent progress, so now I want to share what I learned to actually so you can make better progress and faster progress. So now let's start with actually the things that you will need before you actually start to draw. So the first one is you need a graphic tablet, and there are a lot of types. There's a screen tablet, there's like tablet without screen, and you can also draw with mouse, but I wouldn't recommend that. For now, it doesn't really matter what tablet do you have, although I recommend it not being like very small like a phone. The smallest size I would recommend is like A5 book, and at the beginning I had a Huion H640p, something like that. It was alright, okay. That's all you need to actually start. So then I had Huion, I think it was H1060p plus, something like that. Now I have Huion Canvas 24 Pro, I think. And also I have an iPad Pro 12.9 inches. What I actually learned from that, it doesn't really matter what you have. You can have basic tablet without screen, or you can have a top of the line like Apple stuff. It doesn't really matter. So if you're a beginner, just buy the cheapest one. Now you have a graphic tablet. Now you need to have a graphic software, okay? A software where you will be drawing, and there's plenty of them. If you have an Apple, iPad, there's a Procreate, the best on iPads. There's also Photoshop. I use it for actually a long time. Now I switched to Clip Studio Paint, and it's also okay. If you, I don't know, if you want for free, you can get Photoshop probably, if you know how to get it. And Krita is free one. I mean, actually, Clip Studio Paint has also like free trial for 3 months. You can use that. To be honest, it doesn't really matter what also graphic software you use. You just need something with a pen, make a layer and draw something. That's all you need. And so choose a graphic tablet and a software where you'll be drawing. And then what you'll need to actually get used to the software, okay? So like experiment with all the stuff, like all the brushes, okay, all the tools, layers are important, okay, colors and filters, all this stuff. And I'll actually do like a more in-depth tutorial guide on the tools, brushes and layers and all the like effects, okay? Also like the flipping and stuff, because you'll need a lot of those things in your drawings. So now let's go to the actually mindset that you'll need, okay? It depends, why are you drawing? Do you just want to get better for a hobby? You want to, I don't know, become pro? So it depends. Obviously, I mean, getting good at art, at drawing, requires a lot of time. So in a week you won't be at the top level. It takes times, years probably. So yeah, I'm doing those videos to actually help you with this. And to actually make progress, there's one good habit that I love. So it is basically drawing daily, but not the brain dead way to draw daily. So I don't know, you just take a piece of paper and you just scribble on some stuff. No, it is actually draw daily, but draw from reference, because at the beginning and actually whatever skill you are, you need reference. Okay, you need to draw from reference to actually learn, to observe. Observation skill is actually very important. So I make a good habit from drawing daily. It also builds consistency, which is needed to actually improve. Draw daily instead, like, I don't know, don't draw once a month and expect to be good in 1 year. It doesn't work like that. I've made one mistake actually, because I would only study for a very long time. Like, I don't know, like 80% of the time I was drawing, I would only study. I've made some progress, but I wasn't drawing the stuff that I like. So it is important to actually draw the things that you want to draw. Obviously, you can't just draw, I don't know, your OC or whatever, original character. Don't just draw your OC or, I don't know, your dog for like a year and expect to improve. No, you need to have balance. So I don't know, I recommend like 50-50. So you spend 2 hours on drawing for yourself, and then you'll spend 2 hours on practicing. Just make it 50-50. How long you will be practicing, also draw for yourself. And also for that, like actually you can even make a list. A couple of days ago I've made a video about being productive, and there's a tip that I recommend. So to just make a list of things you want to draw. Because of that you'll avoid art block. But now let's go to actually how to learn the skill of drawing. And the first one is to get know with your pen, okay? To like the pen pressure and stuff, so you'll be able to actually look at the reference and try to draw it accurately. And also I have a video about those exercises that can help you with that, so you can watch that. But now you know how to draw a straight line, okay, a circle, and just basic stuff. So you actually need to learn art fundamentals, and there's a couple of them. There's like, I don't know, 7 or 8. So those are gestures, anatomy, perspective, form, light and shadow, color theory, design, and composition. If you master those, 8 things, you'll become an art god. Okay, and then just improve those skills, okay, over and over, and you'll get better. And because of those, you'll be able to actually draw what you want. So maybe you have character in your head that you want to actually draw and make. You can do that. And now, you can learn that by consuming educational content. Okay, so watching YouTube tutorials, guides, reading books. Okay, I have a couple of them, art books. You can, take courses and, just consume tutorials. Don't overdo it. Don't like binge watch all of them from the internet in like a couple of hours. Let's say today you're learning how to draw eyes. Just watch like 1 or 2 of them, 2 of tutorials how to actually draw them, so you'll learn. And also focus on the stuff that you're talking about or you're reading about and stuff, because you need those information to actually draw. Always use reference, okay, and practice. I have a video about practice, so you can watch that. I don't know, like drawing eyes, drawing faces, values, okay, for your drawing to actually read well, the color theory. So there's a lot to learn, and actually I want to make a series, I guess, of learning art fundamentals. So maybe you can watch them, and actually it will give you a basic, roadmap of things you want to learn to actually improve. And yeah, obviously have fun with it, okay? So a long time I would actually hate drawing. I would, had to draw, I would tell myself, and it wasn't really pleasant. It wasn't enjoyable. So yeah, make it fun. Draw what you actually want. So that's it. Like, subscribe and stuff. Thank you for watching. All my socials are below. So yeah, bye.